Hey guys, it's Vicky and I'm back with another cooking recipe. Today I'm going to make green enchilada soup, which is super yummy. Whether it's hot outside, cold outside, doesn't matter. It's just a really good, refreshing soup. It is also pretty keto friendly. So what you're going to need for this soup is some chicken. And I just did, you can do it right in the crock pot. You can put everything together and put your chicken breasts in and then take them out and shred it. You could use rotisserie chicken. If you have leftover chicken from the, couple nights before, debone it, cut it up, put it in. The chicken that I'm gonna use is already cooked and chopped up. So I'm not cooking this for the full amount of time. I'm probably only going to cook this for maybe 4 hours or so, just until my husband gets home. You're gonna need a 28-ounce can of green chili enchilada sauce. You're going to need a 4-ounce can of green salsa verde. You will need 24 ounces of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, salt and pepper to taste. So the heavy cream, the cream cheese, and the shredded Monterey Jack, I don't put in until maybe about a half an hour before we're going to eat it, just so that it melts in. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and add the other items. In the green chili enchilada sauce. We're going to put in the 4 ounces of salsa verde and 24 ounces of chicken broth. That's about 16. I do mine in my Instapot, just using it as a slow cooker. I will go ahead and do a little bit of salt and pepper. Again, don't measure those. I pretty much know what our family taste is. So you can also, I brought it, but I don't think I'm going to add it. But you can also sometimes put in a little bit of rotel even, just to add a little more taste to it. I'm going to put some chicken in here. So my chicken is already cooked and chopped. All right. That is it until it is time to almost eat, and we will add the other ingredients. And I will let you have a little look at this. And it's really good when it's done. All right, I will come back when we are ready. So I will set my Instapot just on normal, because again, it's going to be in there for probably between 4 to 6 hours, and that's it. Okay, guys, we are back. And we are going to add the cheesy part of this mixture. So in my bowl is 4 ounces of cream cheese that I put in the microwave for a little under a minute, just to kind of melt it, because I didn't prepare in time. And to that we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, and then I'm going to kind of whisk that up so you don't get quite so many lumps in your soup. Okay, we're just going to give it a good whisk. Try and get as much incorporated as possible. Try to get those lumps out. All right, so we are going to add our cheese mixture into the soup. And then we're going to give it a really good stir. And I'll probably actually use my whisk. Kind of get this all incorporated. Look at how creamy that is. And we're not done yet, because we're going to add 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack. Let's go in with some of this cheese. So it's just shredded Monterey Jack. And we will be eating soon, so that's why I'm doing this. I don't do this part too early. Going to get that cheese down there. Put the lid back on the Instapot and let that melt. And then you could serve this with whatever you want. Salad, crackers. My husband loves goldfish, so he'll be having his with goldfish. Tortilla chips, salsa, anything at all. All right, so that is the green enchilada soup. The recipe will be in the description. And thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and share. We appreciate it. We'll be back again with some more recipes. Bye.